two words, investing and trading. People use them like they mean the same thing. They don't. And if you don't understand the difference, you could be making one of the biggest financial mistakes of your life. Let's fix that right now. Welcome back to Investrading Lab. Today we're breaking down the real difference between an investor and a trader. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one you are. And more importantly, which one you should be. Let's start with investing. Investing is simple. You buy an asset and you hold it, not for days, not for weeks, but for years, sometimes decades. You're not trying to predict what happens tomorrow. You're betting on the long-term growth of a company, an index, or an entire economy. Here's what that actually looks like. You invest $10,000 into an S&P 500 index fund. Historically, it returns about 10% per year. Now here's where it gets interesting. Leave it alone for 20 years. Don't touch it, don't trade it, and that $10,000 could turn into over $67,000. No stress, no charts, no daily decisions, just time doing the heavy lifting. Now let's talk about trading. Trading is a completely different game. You're not waiting years. You're making moves fast, days, hours, sometimes even minutes. Here's what that looks like. A trader takes that same $10,000 and risks it on a short-term move, maybe a 2% jump in a stock like Tesla. If it works, they make $200 in a few hours. If it doesn't, they lose money just as fast. Trading isn't about the future of a company. It's about price, movement, momentum. It's faster, it's more intense, and it's significantly riskier. So let's break this down simply. Time horizon. Investors think in years. Traders think in minutes. Risk. Investing is relatively stable. Trading is high risk. Time commitment. Investing takes minutes a month. Trading can take hours every day. Skill. Investing requires patience. Trading requires precision and speed. So which one is right for you? If you have a full-time job and want to build wealth over time, investing is your path. If you're willing to study charts, manage risk, and handle losses, trading might be for you. But here's the truth. Most people don't tell you. The most successful people do both. They invest the majority of their money for long-term wealth and trade a small portion to generate extra income and sharpen their skills. Now you know the difference. So tell me, are you an investor, a trader, or somewhere in between? If this helped you, hit subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to start investing with just $100. And trust me, you don't want to miss that. This is Investrading Lab, where wealth is built. See you in the next one.